Hello, my name is Matthew Hyde. I'm the Prosser Business Program instructor, and I want to say thank you for your interest in this program and Prosser specifically. If you have an interest in whatsoever in any type of business as a career, I would ask that you would look at this program closely. We're going to do a lot of different activities to prepare you for a business career. We do a lot of public speaking in here. You'll learn how to manage a business. You'll actually draft a business plan and build a website to promote that business. You'll learn how to secure and manage financing. We're going to have a lot of guest speakers and field trips, and it'll be a great networking opportunity. So we'll go out and talk to people that have been very successful and see what's worked for them, and we'll have an opportunity to ask them a lot of questions and have them come and speak with us as well. At the end of the day, I think we have a lot of fun in this class, and you'll learn a lot. As far as the dual credit opportunities, your first year in here, you'll actually earn 15 college credit hours for your first year. If you decide to come back the second year in the program, you actually earn an additional 15 college credit hours. So essentially, if you decide to do both years of this program, you will actually have 30 college credit hours free of charge for doing both years in this program. The work-based learning opportunities that you'll do a job shadow that will be as a junior, and that'll be 4 hours of your own time that you'll go out and visit a business. And you'll actually, if you come back the second year, you'll do 2-week-long micro internships during Prosser time, and then you'll also do a 6-month-long internship, and that's a paid opportunity. So we have a lot of hands-on opportunities for you to get a lot of experience with regard to business. I'd just like to say thank you for your interest in the business program at Prosser. Most importantly, whatever program you decide to attend at Prosser, I can assure you it will be one of the most valuable learning opportunities of your life. We'd love to see you next year. Thank you.